The threat of violence is another way of saying there could be violence, which is another way of saying there isn't any violence, which is another way of saying we're already in Minority Report. We're already in Orwellian territory. You looks to me like the kind of person that might do something violent, or worse than that, be a Nazi. Oh, really? Based on what criteria? Shut up! Shut down! Lock down! You cannot legislate on the basis of suspicion. That's a challenge to the most fundamental judicial principles of civilization. It's unraveling before our eyes. Trudeau portrayed the move to use emergency powers as unavoidable, saying it was not possible to negotiate with the protesters. So what's going on in China? Either both things are wrong or both things are right. Oh, China will support their rights, you know, the press, they should be reporting on it. What about the protests in Canada? No, I've got to shut that down, can't report on those, can't negotiate with them, they're too violent. Do you notice the algebra now? What you have to do is to say the people you oppose are impossible to negotiate with. They're either terrorists or they're anti-vax nutters. If you can legitimize their condemnation, then you simultaneously legitimize your own authoritarianism. Notice how often that happens. Oh, normally we wouldn't do this, but these people are racists, or normally we wouldn't do this, but these people are terrorists. What would we need to do in order to justify emergency powers? I don't know, say they're Nazis. Oh, but they're not Nazis. Yeah, it doesn't matter though, does it? Because if we say they're Nazis, that's the same as them being